Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hakim bin Nordin. Today, I want to present a topic about identifying building defect. This is my house. My house are located at number 12, Jalan Aman 2, Taman Desa Aman, 34200, Parit Untar, Perak, Darul Rizwan. This is the building that I want to identifying building defect. The first element that I want to identifying is wall. The first defect of wall element is horizontal crack on wall. The symptom is the wall look damaged and see a line of crack. Possible causes is due to excessive load, due to weak foundation and poor workmanship. The prognosis is the wall will collapse if not repaired. The second, the crack will spread to other structure. The remedy suggested is plaster the crack using the good cement mortar and repaint the wall. The second defect from wall element is diagonal crack on wall. The symptom is look a line of crack. Possible causes is poor workmanship. The prognosis is the crack will spread. The remedy suggested is plaster the crack and repaint the wall. The next element is floor. The first defect from floor element is crack on pieces of tiles. The symptom is a few crack on a pieces of tile. Possible causes is heavy load and poor workmanship. The prognosis is skin injuries, legs, foot. The remedy suggested is replace the new tiles. The second defect from floor element is loss of 20 tiles. The symptom is loss of 20 tiles and make disturbing visual. The possible causes is due to load when car in and out from parking. The second, no alignment floor tiles. The prognosis is can injure the occupant. The remedy suggested is replace the new tiles. Next, the element that I identifying is roof. The first defects from roof element is dampness on ceiling. The symptom is ceiling look wet. The possible causes is leaking from rooftop. The prognosis is mold growth. The remedy suggested is repair the source of leaking, fill the gaps between the window frames and walls using a special bonding sealant, clean the alga and repaint the ceiling. The second defect is dampness on ceiling. The symptom is ceiling look wet. The possible causes is leaking from rooftops. The prognosis is mold growth. Remedies suggested is repair the source of leaking, fill the gaps between the window frames and walls using a special bonding sealant, clean the alga and repaint the ceiling. The next element is building services, which is electrical. The first defect from this element is improper wiring. The symptom is hanging wire give a visual impact. Excessive amount of wire connection. The possible causes is poor workmanship that at the wire over limit. The prognosis is it may danger the occupant as the location of defect is near with the water dispenser. Remedy suggested is cut the excess wire and add the clip of the excess wire or strip of additional insulation so the proper amount of wire is exposed. Then reconnect the wires to their wire nut. Attach the wire to the electrical trunking for a better installation. The next defect is not functioning lamp. The symptom is the bulb is not responding when turned on. The possible causes is low quality lamp and long term use. The prognosis is the area is not bright. Remedy suggested is replace the new light bulb. The next element is door. The first defect from this element is rusty on door frame. The symptom is rusty at the bottom part of door frame. The possible causes is no paint or the paint start to peel. Exposed to water, the prognosis is rust will increase. Remedies suggested is sand the damaged area with sandpaper or sanding block and repaint the door frame. The second defect of this element is broken door knob. The symptom is some part of door knob are missing. The possible causes is human misuse and poor quality. The prognosis is door can lock. Remedy suggested is replaced with the new door knob. The next element is building structure. The first defect from this element is diagonal crack on column. The symptom is diagonal crack at the bottom part of column. Possible causes is poor workmanship and low quality of concrete use. The prognosis is may lead to collapse of the column. Remedy suggested is apply the cement seal on the affected surface. The second defect is crack on bearing wall. The symptom is vertical crack at the wall. Possible causes excessive load and movement of structure. The prognosis is cracks can be visually unattractive and disconcerting for occupants, and if left untreated, that can affect the integrity, safety, and stability of the structure. The remedy suggested is hacking the damaged plaster and plaster the crack with correct cement mixture. The last element that I identifying is external. The first defect from this element is dampness on wall. The symptom is mold on the bottom part at external wall and look wet. Possible causes exposed to weather and poor quality of paint. The prognosis is mold growth. Remedies suggested: scrap the alga and old paint and repaint the wall. The last of defect is peeling of paint. The symptom is peeling off at the bottom part of the external wall. Possible causes is the low quality of paint and exposed to weather. The prognosis is the paint will keep peeling off if there is no remedial work carried out. Remedial suggested is repaint the wall. That's all from me. Thank you and bye bye.